Hey there, thanks for joining me for Bible journaling. Today, I thought I would work on session 3 in my Illustrated Faith Goals devotional. Yes, I'm still working my way through that. So I have gotten out my card and I'm going to read it. And I've gotten out a few stickers over here from the kit. So there's a few little options. And then I've got my stamp set. And I also got out some acrylic paint from Illustrated Faith that I've had in my stash for a while. So I thought maybe that I could go ahead and use that in my Bible today, and some paint brushes. And these are just some cheap ones I picked up over at my local Walmart to use with acrylic paints. So I don't really have an idea yet. I'm thinking maybe I'm going to do some flowers or something on the page, but I'm not really sure. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on fast forward and we will do some Bible journaling. Our verse is from Matthew 17 and it's verse 20. It says, "He replied, 'Because you have so little faith, truly I tell you, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you.'" That's so true. If you have faith, God will move mountains and do whatever it is that He thinks that you need. So you just have to have faith in that. So today's card says, "Faith of a mustard seed." What would you think of a person who has a shrub that appears dead, but keeps praying for it to live? I'm trying to practice using my faith of a mustard seed right now with that shrub. I figure if Jesus can raise Lazarus, He can bring the shrub back to life. Crazy? Perhaps. But doesn't faith look like that sometimes? A little crazy? Is there an area in your life where you need to stretch your faith and pray bigger than you've ever prayed before? I know I need to have faith more and definitely have things I should pray bigger on. So our journaling prompts today are, what areas of your life need faith refreshed? How has God led you on a faith journey in the past? So there's my finished page for today. I hope you all had fun doing Bible journaling with me today. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope you have a fabulous week and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.